17th August 1975. I was born. A simple boy in an average Indian family. क्लीशेज तो बहुत थे। माँ मुझसे बहुत प्यार करती थी, बाप मुझ में खुद को ढूंढता था। बहुत प्यार से मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे बड़ा किया। बड़ा हुआ, लेकिन प्यार कम नहीं हुआ। लेकिन लाइफ भर मैंने एक ही लाइन सुनी,
बेटा अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना। हाँ,
और मैंने की। क्लास के टॉप 10 में मैं हर साल आया। मम्मी लड्डू खिलाती, डैड गेम आर्केड लेके जाते। कॉलेज जाने लगा, उम्र बदल गई, सोच बदल गई, लेकिन साली लाइन नहीं बदली।
बेटा अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना। हाँ,
40,000 की नौकरी पकड़ ली, अपनी कॉलेज वाली गर्लफ्रेंड से शादी कर ली, और 2 साल में मेरी अपनी बेटी। Life continued to go on exactly in the way society intended. But I never stopped to ask myself one simple question. Is this what I want? दुनिया को खुश करने के चक्कर में मैं अपने आप को भूल गया, जीना भूल गया, मुस्कुराना भूल गया। और फिर एक दिन जाने का टाइम आ गया। In that same fucking hospital I was born in. फैमिली इकट्ठी हो गई और सब रोने लग गए। My daughter was crying the most that day. I never saw her plead the way she did with that doctor, just to save my life. If I have to be really honest, these emotions didn't really matter to me in that moment. They say your life flashes before you just when you're about to die. I only had one question running through my mind just as my heart started to give out. A question that plagued my mind ever since I was a little boy. What was the point of life? Why do I exist? A question no one could possibly answer. I saw the world around me living the exact same life I did for 62 years, but not once did I see anyone asking that question. Why would they? We've all become slaves to society's version of life. As the countdown towards that flat line on the heart monitor began, I just hoped for an answer. And just when I thought it was all over, I woke up.
Do I know you?
Nobody does.
Who are you?
This is my favorite part. Sharul Desai, I'm God. Now before you say that's impossible, or I'm crazy, or I'm a con man trying to rob you, look down. Don't worry.
Is he going to be all right? What did the doctors say? You have to talk to the doctors. Do something. Please. Please do something. Please.
You're taking your last breath in a hospital room in Baikla as we speak. Relax. I mean no harm. By the way, the shit you guys have created is amazingly delicious, I must say. May not be too good for your livers, but I'm God, so I can do anything.
Honestly, I never expected you to be like this.
Be like what?
Be like, you know, this.
Oh, wait, let me guess. You expected me to walk out from some white, bright light looking something like this? Although, yeah, I really love the hairdo, but this snake around my neck is kind of honestly very terrifying. Although I created it, but it's kind of terrifying. Or did you expect me to look like this? And yes, this wardrobe on a nice breezy day is amazingly chilling, especially in a few places. But I'm not really a fan of the long hair. It goes in my mouth. But I love the abs though. Or did you expect me to look like this?
Hello?
According to some people, I don't have a face. So yeah. But talking to a voice might make you feel like a little bit of a crazy person, so here I am. I'm something the human race will never be able to perceive.
Is this all real? Or is it just happening inside my head?
Of course it's happening inside your head. That doesn't mean it isn't real.
Why am I here?
It's a routine I created millions of years ago. I saw a lot of people lost. Kind of like you. While they took their last breath. So I came up with an idea to spend 5 minutes with every person just before their heart gave out. I'm kinda theatrical that way. You can ask me for anything you want, my son. You've got 5 minutes.
I don't want anything. I have a question though.
Go on.
I lived my life exactly the way society wanted me to live it. I worked hard. But in the end, I never thought that something so beautiful called life could be so mechanical. So my question to you is, why do we exist? What was the point of life? Why are you smiling?
Nothing. बहुत लोग मुझे अलादीन का जीनी समझते हैं. भगवान मुझे ये दे दो, मुझे वो दे दो, मुझे इस स्कूल में डाल दो, मुझे इस लड़की से शादी करा दो. Santa Claus बना के रख दिया इधर. I'm just glad someone's finally asking the right question. So to answer your question, there isn't any particular reason for why you exist. Minus the drunken night your parents had.
Really?
Sorry. But the point of your existence has always been very relative, my son. I haven't given it a clear definition because I always wanted to leave it up to you, the human race, to figure it out. I gave you the choice to do whatever you wanted to do with it.
Actually, sir, that's not what I meant. Perhaps I didn't frame my question properly. But my question is, why did you create us? Why did you create all this? The universe. The planets. The stars. Human life. What was the point of it all? I looked above at the stars through my teens, and while most people may find peace, I only ask myself, why? There has to be a reason, right?
No one's really asked me that question before. Everything you see around you has a purpose. Even I have one. To create, to expand. And I can safely say I've done a pretty good job till now, haven't I? So as I fulfilled my purpose, I thought maybe I need to take what I created a little forward. So I gave it to you, the human race. But I don't want to bound you all by any laws. So I gave you all free will, the ability to do anything with this planet. That's why I did what I did. But I must ask, are you guys happy with what you've done?
No.
Why would you be? You managed to ruin the greatest gift I could ever give you all. That's free will. Perhaps it's my fault. I should have known I couldn't handle it.
Why? Why would you say that?
Look back at the world you're about to leave, my son. Just look at it. Is this what you wanted for your home? Today I look back at the world I've created and my heart aches. My heart aches when I see such immoralities, such cruelty. Such heartlessness. You'll even manage to divide me. And then y'all look above questioning me about why I'm not bringing peace to this world? Really? You question me? It hurts. I cry every time I see it. But I'm not so pessimistic, you know. There are some shades of you people that give me hope. And someday, I believe that you people will understand who I truly am.
Why don't you just come down and make it all better? Exist between us and make this world a great place again.
I already exist between all of you. You've seen me, you've studied me, I even have a name. I'm humanity. You don't need me. You don't need a god. Or you don't need a higher spirit telling you what you must be doing. Because you have all the answers within you. Within here. Because you are your own God. Yes, you will be oppressed. The demons of society will hold you back. But that human within you, he'll find a way. It always does. I just hope everyone realizes their humanity before it's too late.
Will we get another chance?
Your 5 minutes is over, my son.
Hey, Mr. God!
Dad? Dad?
Do you think we'll make it?
Dad?
Well, that, my son, has always been up to you.